Sending you love. So repetitive thoughts can be tamed, but negative thoughts will always remain. I say that to say your brain is hardwired to protect you. So the same brain that's telling you to watch out for that dark alley is the same brain that's running snapped and oxygen channel situations and simulations in your head, right? So the first thing to know and try to accept is that you are not your thoughts, okay? When you go into your brain, try not to judge whatever thoughts are coming up, and a lot of times when you don't attach any value, whether that's positive or negative, to the repetitive thought, chances are, and in some cases, it'll kind of just quiet down and fade away all on its own. But let's say that doesn't work and you've tried and you can't figure out how to shake it. Like a scientist, you're going to have to ask yourself some questions really to investigate the matter of the thought, the soul matter of the thought, if you will. Questions like, have I forgiven myself for this already? A lot of times our brain will replay the things we've done wrong and the things we wish we hadn't said, and at some point you have to decide, I've done all I can do to put closure to that situation. I'm going to forgive myself for that. And if your brain is just trying to kind of ask you that question, it's rightfully so that you're going to ask, do I really need to even beat myself up for this, right? Question number 2, does this thought serve me or keep me safe? Like I said, it could be a thought that's trying to push you towards a goal or something you're supposed to accomplish. Or maybe it's warning you about that red flag guy that you know you shouldn't be connecting with. But it's good to ask yourself that, just so you know if your brain is really trying to look out for you, if your intuition behind that is trying to look out for you, so to speak. Last question. I would also say it's good to ask, what is the lesson in this? Have I learned anything from this? What did I learn? A lot of times our brain is really just trying to keep us safe, and it's going to run these simulations in a way that says every bad thing that's ever happened can happen again. Everything that you've ever experienced is now a possibility. And so if you can pull from those negative experiences the lesson, it calms that inner scared, angry child down, because now at least we can find the silver lining. We can adjust knowing that we know that we've learned from it, and we have a trust with ourselves that we won't make that mistake again. Like and share and comment. I love you so much.